Hey, this is Mike Fisher with Redfield Group Auctions, and I'm excited. We're going to do a quick walkthrough video, but I'm excited to show you the inventory that's going to be coming up in a CNC metalworking auction. We're going to have online only, and hopefully this catalog is going to be up by mid next week. Let's go ahead and get started. First, the two prize pieces in this are these two VM3 HAAS machines. Extremely low spindle hours. These machines were purchased in December of 2019, so they're 1-year-old machines. They've been only doing billet aluminum, no hard metals, and they are absolutely loaded with options, and they're ready for a 4th axis. So these are the two prime pieces that are in the auction. But you can also, if you'll sort of follow me through over here, that we have got all kinds of hand tools, pneumatic tools, files, all shop equipment such as tables, chains, you name it, all kinds of small tools. And then tooling over here for the, we have got lots of tooling for the CNC machines themselves. As you can see from all the collets and heads, we have got whole sets of dial calipers. We have blanks. Just about everything you can think of that would come with a machining operation, we're going to have it in this auction. Tons of CNC tooling. Really some brand new pieces. So lots of tooling, collets, heads. These vices are pretty much like brand new. So is everything in here. So again, lots of tooling. We've got slabs of billet. We've got banding machines and hand trucks. Just all types of general equipment that you would see with a machine shop auction. And we also have two other pieces of equipment here. We have the Acra milling machine with X and Y axis on it. Again, extremely low hours. You can see from the equipment itself, this stuff has barely been used. And then we have a raw food bandsaw, and I believe this is an 18-inch bandsaw. Is that correct, Justin? 18-inch bandsaw. And again, you can see by the details on it, it's like brand new. So all you're going to need to do is go to www.redfieldgroup.com. The catalog should be up here in the next couple of days. It's going to be an online only auction. It's going to run for, I don't know, 14, 21 days. And all these items are located in Rainbow City, Alabama. So they're located about a mile from our office. So if you have any questions, contact us at redfieldgroup.com. You can call us at 256-413-0555. With any questions, good luck and happy bidding.